Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for more videos. It has been long guys, I am back again. So in today's video we are going to be making a delicious spinach soup. As you can see, all my ingredients is ready to go in. Let me spinach soup, chicken spinach soup. My chicken spinach soup. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here again like I never left. It has been long guys. I really miss you all. Welcome back to Beautiful Shine TV. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for more video. My returnees, thank you and God bless you. In today's video, we are going to be making a delicious spinach soup with these amazing ingredients. So let's get into the video and let me introduce you one by one all I need to use to make this delicious spinach soup. My first thing I will be introducing, I have 2 Maggi cube, chicken Maggi cube and crayfish. Here I have my salt. Here I have my vegetable oil. Here I have my spinach, my liquid Maggi, my tripper, my meat. I have 3 onions, grounded crayfish, pepper, grounded pepper. I have also my mama, my tomatoes. I will not be finishing all the tomatoes. I have to use half of it. And as well, I have my chicken. And I will be showing you later. And I also have my fish. Okay. So let's get into the video. Now the first thing I will be adding in this chicken soup, I will be adding 1 Maggi cube, and later on I will be adding the other one. So keep watching guys. Okay, now I had everything I need to add already. Sorry I did not show you before my rosemary. It was here. So I put rosemary and thyme, and I also had my scented leaf, 1 Maggi and 1 onion. So I will cover the pot. You know this chicken is very strong, it's our chicken. So I have to leave it for at least 40 minutes. With 40 minutes, but in the next 20 minutes I will add my shaki and momo with fresh. So I wouldn't like them to be too soft, so I will add them later. So now I'll be covering the pot. Now it's 20 minutes already. Now I will be adding my cow skin, and I will also add my ishaki, my beef as well. So I will leave them to at least 30 minutes or less than. So keep watching. almost ready. In the next 5 minutes, I will remove the meat and start stewing the tomatoes, because I love using tomatoes on my spinach soup. So this spinach soup, you can use it to eat pounded yam, you can use it to eat rice, you can use it to eat yam. Call the spinach soup in anything, it will answer you. Keep washing, guys. Okay, my pot is here for the stew. I'm going to stew the tomatoes now, and I will be adding my oil, my vegetable oil. I'm not finishing everything. I will be adding it later. Let me see how it goes. So I will let the oil to hot a little bit before I will add my onions. I will fry my fish, not here. I will fry it separately with chicken and the beef. Okay, the first thing I will be adding. Sorry guys. The first thing I will be adding is my salt, then onions, 2 onions. I will leave it for at least for a few seconds for the onions to be peeled before I will add my tomatoes. Okay, now I will be adding my tomatoes. Okay, now I will be adding my blended crayfish, my pepper, so I will add the last Maggi, half of the Maggi, because I already used one and a half the other for the meat. So I'm adding, because I had 1 1/2 on the meat. Now I'm adding the half of the Maggi in here. This is the half of the Maggi because I did that back of the camera, because I showed you guys that I will be putting 1, but later on I had half. So this is the half. I'm adding it here now. So I will leave the stew to boil at least for 10 minutes. So as well, I will add my liquid Maggi as usual. You know, I love using this Maggi. So I will add a little of it to bring more taste, and flavor on it. So that is why I'm adding the Maggi there. Now I will cover it for 10 minutes, and the stew is ready. Now I will be stewing the tomato, my fish and chicken. So here is my beef, here is my chicken. So my stew is ready. Keep washing, guys. I'm not adding any salt because I already put salt on my meat, so I'm just putting it this way. Okay, this is my mackerel fish. I haven't sold it since because it was the frozen fish. I just bring it out from the fridge when I measure it, so I couldn't show it. Now it's here. I'm frying it already. So after this, I will be making my delicious spinach soup. This is how I want the fish to look like. I really dry it so that the thing will not scatter. Now I'll be removing it. Okay, I transfer my stew to this pot. Now I'll be adding my spinach. Spinach doesn't have time, so I will be adding everything inside, because in the next 5 minutes I'm removing it, because you all know how spinach is. 5 minutes time I will add everything now. Well, my soup is ready. How did you see it, guys? How did you see this delicious chicken spinach? Look at it, very beautiful in the eyes. Thank you for joining me for today's video. See you for my next video. Bye bye.